Hi there everyone, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps and welcome to another tutorial today. So I've got my multifarious card here. I'm going to start by stamping our fairies straight onto the card. And now I've got this lovely floral sort of wreath and I'm just going to bring that down in a slightly different place so it's a little bit fainter. Okay, so now I'm going to start colouring the background and then we'll add more to this as we go along. And now I'm going on to the Sahara. You can really create some absolutely fabulous background just by using these elements and the stencil brushes. You can flick a little bit of water, fan brush, and I'm going to tap over the top. Use your tissue, dab that up, and it creates a really nice texture. And now I'm just going to start building up some leaves in the corners, and on the top you can create a whole foliage sort of forest effect just by using a couple of these. Now I've got another little stamp here. This comes in a set, it's a wreath set. Just want to bring in another little bit of colour. And then going back to the Bermuda, taking that ink off, I'm just going to run that just where she's sitting. Just by giving it a little bit of depth, it looks like she is sitting on it rather than that you've just stamped over the top. I'm going to use the Summertime again, do a few bits of hanging foliage down as well. I'm going to use a slightly darker colour now, so this is Twilight, and just to get that little bit of depth again. I've got myself a nice little verse here as well. So this time I'm going to ink up in the Golden Meadow. I want it to be nice and light so it's very subtle and in the background. So stamping over to one side and again underneath. I've just got some nice words going down the side there. And I'm going to put a little bit of embossing in the corners here. So going back to a mini stamp, I'm going to ink up in the Versamark, and let's use the Opaque Vanilla White. Just use my brush to take any of those bits that I don't want. Okay, I'm going to do a little bit more embossing down at the bottom here now, so I'm picking a different flourish and I'm going to go in, ink that up a few times, and I'm going to use the white again. So make sure that that is completely dry, and then I'm going to now take the graphite and I'm going to bring a little of that over the top of the white, just to tone it down a little. And now I'm going to use my Posca pen. I'm just going to dot. So lastly, I'm going to just add a little bit of glitter. We've got some golden rod. I'm just using my finger, I'm just going to smooth that over. Something else that I've got here as well is some foil. I'm going to just show you. We've had these zig glue pens in, and I'm just going to dot some of that over the top. Wait till that goes clear and it goes really tacky, and then it will take your foil. I'm hoping that you can see that lovely foil there that we've used. And that's just another technique to give you a bit of a sparkle, a bit of a metallic look. So that's it, guys. I hope that you've enjoyed today's demo and taught you a few different techniques on how to create your cards.